LGU participated, DHL Club. We have also the Agriculture, Mineral, OMM, CCH, RMJSU Jail Service Unit, and of course, the Montalban Drum and Line, the San Jose Tigers Marching Percussion. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence of and the arrival of our Honorable Mayor, Ronnie S. Evangelista. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mahal na Mayor.
Together with the members of the Office of the City Mayor.
And also let's welcome and acknowledge the presence of and the arrival of ECCT College Council Montalban.
We would like to invite the presence of our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Ronnie S. Evangelista, and our musical council to join us here on stage to witness the arrivals of our participants. Announcing the arrival of Rodriguez Private School Association.
And now arriving, let's acknowledge University of Rizal System Rodriguez Campus. Acknowledge the arrival of Makabagong Kababaihan Rodriguez Rizal.
From Barangay Macabud, our municipal department and unit heads with Slaughterhouse, PNP, GAD, FEIO, and CDF.
As a college arrival of Colegio de Montalban.
Yan yung pamantasan.
And also let's acknowledge the punong barangay ng Macabod, Honorable Juanito Catayo.
And also nandito po ang Montalban Babies Association.
And let's acknowledge the arrival of Montalban Ladies Association.
initan ha. Wala lang, galing na tayo sa init ha.
Ay, kumita na banner.
Acknowledge the arrival of Ginagit Kingdom. And also the arrival of Mula sa Bangsamoro.
Kaya nga, nabuhayan ko na sana sila.